Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We have actually just reinstalled this game in my phone. I hope it loads now. Yes, it does.
Listen.
And we have finished chapters 22 and 23 in my older phone. We're gonna do chapter 24 here as well as the co-op. I am just not sure when the videos will be uploaded because the internet here is kind of slow. But with that said, I'm just sad that we weren't able to video Ponyta when it actually evolved into Rapidash. But it's fine. We cannot do anything about that anymore. This is A Dazzling New Stage Part 1, Chapter 24, Sabrina Elisa, or Signasud Elisa, Fantina, Awesome. A Dazzling New Stage Part 1, let's do it. I just wonder how many stages are there in the PML finals.
Hey.
These are all new characters, guys.
Excuse me. Pardon? I see.
So serious.
Excusez-moi.
Excusez-moi.
Yes? Hey. I'm sorry. Hello? Excusez-moi.
Guys, honestly, I have a hard time smiling
Very
voluntarily. But if you know, I involuntarily smile, it's easy. But voluntarily, in my cosplay shoots and everything, very hard for me.
Wow. S'il vous plaît. Okay. Okay. Hey. Okay.
I wanna know how you suddenly turn into your Signa suit.
Okay.
Yeah?
Hello. Pardon? Wow.
Isn't Valerie the designer of this suit though? Ah, so nice.
Huh? I can't believe my eyes. You're fantastic.
So it's not Valerie who designed this outfit?
Sweetie.
What?
Hey.
I'm feeling a bit dizzy. I'm all set. I'm all set.
Love it. Are you ready for this?
Whoa. Ace Trainer, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing in the PML stage?
What? All right.
Who is that one? Is it Paolo?
I've had enough. All right. Huh? Oh, come on.
Okay. What do we do? Team break, ambush. Dark type, dark type, dark type. Let's switch. Dark type. Hello, Karen.
I'll be coming along with
Your turn to shine.
Like a swimmer takes to water. All right. Nothing like fighting the tide.
This will be easy.
Here we go. Let's roll.
Let's go.
Snarl.
Strut your stuff.
Let's just use X-Speed all. Another Snarl.
Go. I've got this.
Fine, won all the presents. Trying to save that, but anyway.
How's my chance? Keep it up.
I got too ambitious.
I was hoping you could entertain me a bit longer.
Us. Not bad.
So you're gonna be my teammates or something?
Right on.
You know me, huh?
Why you?
Can you steal my Pokemon?
Let's get him.
Final battle, 2 out of 2.
Now, let's go. Let's go. Here goes.
Entertain me. All the presents, X-Speed all.
How's my chance?
Just use Drill Peck. We don't need attack, we need special attack.
Keep it up.
What the?
Ace Pokemon.
Battle is not over yet, guys.
There you go. Strut your stuff.
Well, this is
Did you
anticlimactic.
point out where I went wrong?
One hit KO.
I was hoping you could entertain me a bit longer.
Nobody stole Pokemon. Elessa took care of them. Moving on. A dazzling new stage, part 2.
This is awful.
Aye, aye, Anna.
Sure, leave it to me. Hey,
Sweetie. Huh? Love it. Oh, come on. Hello? Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
Right.
Blaine.
Huh?
That's Blaine, right? Yes, that's Blaine.
huh?
Huh?
I see Paulus there.
Hey. Please? All right.
Yeah. Ready.
Oh my. Oh.
Hey.
Let's battle, Elisa.
Are you ready for this?
Hi! Yoko de kimashita. Let's do it. Challenge Signasuit Elisa and team. Really? Shortcut, guys. Challenge Signasuit Elisa and team. Normally, it's Challenge Signasuit Elisa and Sabrina and Fantina. Shortcut. Anyway, we're still using Karen. Others are there for speed support, sync or chance.
Now. Stop now. Let's go.
Nice Rotom animation. All the presents X speed all. One more entertain me. And we can probably X attack all for attack support. What was that?
I've got this.
Now's my chance. I got this. Bend them to your will.
I've got this.
Keep it up.
What? Miss Banjus is dead with one hit? Are you serious?
You can do it.
This is it.
Keep it up. Fight. Here we go. I like your style. Let's go.
Nice.
Time to battle. I'm stunning.
Sync move countdown acceleration. What the heck was that?
Strut your stuff.
Whatever that is, that's not a good thing. She's gonna use her sync move.
There you go.
Will I make it on time? No, I didn't. Oh no.
Time for a dramatic victory. Now!
Looks cool.
You can do it!
And we won, guys. We won.
I was hoping you could
Defeated
entertain me a bit longer.
Elisa. So do we get her on our team? We'll know in the next. A Dazzling New Stage Part 3. No word about getting Alyssa right now.
You're melting my heart.
So angsty. So angsty. Come on.
Hey,
Are you surprised?
sweet. Love it.
Yes.
But we just used Karen. Now Karen is fighting against us. Who is this? Okay, who the heck is that? Who was that? Who was that? Who was that? Currently, this is as far as the story goes. Try tapping the co-op tab on Explore menu to challenge trainers from the main story along with friends and other players. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll do co-op next. And a lot of evolution stories. But internet is slow. We'll probably do it later. For now, I haven't eaten since yesterday. I'm having a water fast. So I need some rest. I'll see you guys later.